In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly remove the door panel on a BMW E65. I'll explain the process step by step and show you where all the mounting points and hidden bolts are located, so you can remove the panel safely without damaging the trim or plastic clips. Let's start by opening the door and removing the first small cover. It is located right next to the interior door handle. Carefully pry the cover out using a plastic trim removal tool. If you don't have one, you can use a thin, flathead screwdriver, but be very careful not to scratch or damage the surrounding plastic. Once the cover is removed, you'll see a mounting bolt inside. This bolt requires a hex socket. Take a ratchet with the correct hex bit and carefully loosen the bolt. Remove it completely and place it somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Now we can move on to the next mounting points. In this area of the door, there are two more small covers that need to be removed. Carefully pry each cover out using the same trim tool or a thin screwdriver. Once the covers are removed, you'll find two more hex bolts underneath. Take your ratchet with the appropriate hex socket and remove both bolts one at a time. Try not to use excessive force, especially if the bolts have not been removed for a long time. After removing these two bolts, we can move on to the next mounting point on the right side of the door. Here, you will find a regular screw. You can remove it using a screwdriver or a cordless drill with the correct bit. Carefully loosen the screw and remove it completely. Now we come to one of the most important steps. There is another hidden bolt located behind the small trim piece marked Airbag on the door panel. At first, it may look like there is no additional fastener here, but this cover hides another mounting bolt. Carefully remove the airbag trim piece, and you will see the hidden bolt underneath. Use the appropriate hex socket and loosen this bolt completely. This is the final bolt holding the door panel in place. Now we can begin removing the actual door panel. Start from the lower section of the panel. Carefully pull the panel toward you to release the plastic clips from their mounting points. Do not try to pull the entire panel off at once. Instead, work your way around the lower and side edges, releasing one clip at a time. This will help prevent the clips from breaking and reduce the chance of damaging the door panel. Once the lower and side clips have been released, move on to the upper section. The top part of the door panel is also held in place by special mounting clips, so carefully pull the upper section toward you to release them. Again, work slowly and avoid sudden movements. Once all the clips have been released, the door panel will still be connected by several electrical connectors and the interior door handle cable. At this point, don't pull the panel too far away from the door. We first need to disconnect all of the electrical connectors. Start with the connector for the airbag system. You can use a small plastic tool or a thin screwdriver to release the locking mechanism. Carefully unlock the connector and disconnect it. Be gentle and never pull directly on the wires. Next, disconnect the remaining electrical connectors attached to the door panel. Most of them are fairly easy to remove. First, release the locking tab, then carefully pull the connector out of its socket. If a connector does not come out easily, do not force it. Make sure the locking mechanism has been fully released before trying again. The final thing we need to disconnect is the interior door handle cable. First, release the cable from its mounting point. Then, press down on the lower section of the retaining clip. Once the lower part is released, the cable can be moved out of its position. After that, release the upper section of the mounting point and completely disconnect the cable from the door panel. And that's it. Once all of the electrical connectors and the interior door handle cable have been disconnected, the door panel is completely free and can be removed from the vehicle. As you can see, removing the door panel on a BMW E65 is not too difficult when you know where all the mounting points and hidden bolts are located.